Okay, reading notes for my business lady, my business student. I hurried this morning. I rushed this morning. Both okay. Callous. I have calluses on my hands. He's a callous person. You're fired. So taco or mushinke, right? He's a callous man. Identity theft. To steal someone's identity or pretend to be them is called identity theft. A sleeper is usually a movie that initially, at first, doesn't make a lot of money, but later makes money. Kind of a quiet, not a big deal, like Shawshank Redemption. You two are cut from the same cloth. That comes from the movie, the TV show Suits. So this means you and he are very similar. You two are cut from the same cloth. Right? And Harvey says, that's why I hate him. There can be only one. To forge a signature, to sign someone else's signature. So Mike signs someone else. He signs his own signature. And he says, seriously, how often do you look at someone's shoes? How often do you look at a man's shoes? A felony is a serious crime. A misdemeanor is a small crime. A felony is something like rape or kidnapping, murder. A felony is something small like shoplifting, maybe throwing garbage in the street. When two people talk back at each other quickly, that's called quick banter. I like that movie, there's a lot of quick banter. And in the TV show Suits, there's a lot of quick banter. Okay. This is called forehead, but some people pronounce it forehead. Forehead, both okay. Remember, if it's a meishi or keiyoshi, if it's a noun or an adjective, we say uts, like associates. Right? Separate. But if it's a verb, you pronounce it ate. Separate. Terminate. Please hold. He has the know-how, but he doesn't have the infrastructure. I'm aware of that. I know about that. Recently, the number of nani-nani has been increasing. Recently, the number of criminals in Japan has been increasing. Or going up, going down, decreasing. So please remember the set. The number of nani-nani has been nani-nani. I would like to increase my wealth. I would like to improve my financial situation. I would like to improve my vocabulary. Lawyers and doctors and very few other jobs, we say the word practice. He practices law. Doctors practice medicine. Page, that's all, page 3. Oh, I'm calling to confirm. I'm calling to confirm my reservation. I'm calling to ask about nani-nani. I'm calling to inquire about nani-nani. I'm calling to set up nani-nani. Could you elaborate? Could you elaborate? A flyer. One piece of paper. A flyer. A few pieces of paper together. A pamphlet. Many more pieces would be a brochure. Pronunciation, a brochure. Brochure. Don't look at it, just listen. Brochure. Will and going to no chigai, right? Will is usually used if you have will, that's true, or when you make that decision in the conversation. Like, what do you want to do? I don't know. I guess I'll go home. I'll go over there. I'll do it. Hi, wakatta. I'll do it. Can you come early next week? I'll teach you extra. That would be great. So that would be great is used when you're doing, you're setting up an appointment. Or, どうする来週この時間に会いましょうかおー、それやってくれるといいな Ah, that would be great. A prompt reply would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for taking my call. Thank you for coming today. Thank you for taking this meeting. Thank you for taking this meeting. And those are your notes. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next week. Good night.